What's up, Homestead homies? Fresh off the Baker Creek Spring Planting Festival and right into another project on the homestead. Thanks for watching. We always appreciate your time and you stopping by and giving us a look-see. So today what we're going to be doing is basically building a run-in shelter for the horses. We have a large, it might be 5-6 acres or something. And what I'm actually going to do is section off my lower half, the lower half of the acreage, and we're gonna make a paddock down here, and I want them to be able to have a run-in shelter for weather and stuff like that. And then also we'll be collecting rain off of this shelter, and so it's self-sufficient like all of our buildings here on the off-grid homestead. So we already have our posts in, and actually our friend Derek from Handyman is here, and we're actually doing a tutorial. So if you want to know how to get these posts in the ground totally square so you can start your buildings, stay tuned. We'll be talking about this how-to course that we're putting together right now while he's here, and you guys can be able to hit that link and learn how to do this stuff from the ground up and have a lot of other information at your fingertips. I believe he has one about rainwater harvesting in a culvert system. I'm getting there. And then he also has one on gardening and another one on solar. And so he's just compiling all this information from experts like me. And he's going to have these available to you on his website, DIYHomesteadingProjects.com. So we're going to get onto this. We'll show you guys kind of how it's going. And again, if you have any questions about any of the builds we do, leave them in the comments. It's going to get muddy. White.
Those are 18 footers then?
These are, yeah.
So what do we got going on here, Dougie?
We got some raptors going on. The boom, boom, boom.
One of these days we'll learn, eh?
Hey, man. That's what makes it fun. Keep you on your toes. Already fell off the ladder once. Made a couple mistakes. You guys got me tired, man. I went to that Baker's Creek thing. We talked to so many people, and we were up, and then we drove. And yesterday we got here and we started putting in the posts and squaring up the building. And man, phew, doggy. But I'm gonna get her done for you guys, so you can see a nice little building going up again. And then after this, we'll move on to the outdoor shower. So I know a lot of you guys have been waiting. Derek said he's been waiting too.
Ripped your tool bag there and everything,
man. Ripped my tool bag, fell down, got the hammer all caught up in this thing. Never had that happen before. I guess because we're making this tutorial video for Derek and his...
It's just throwing you off your game, man.
Yeah, so it's just got me all messed up. Normally I'm just here by myself and edit out all that funny stuff.
I'll send you the clip for that if you want to throw it in your video.
No thanks.
No? I'm sure everybody would love to see that.
Yeah. And there you go. Then we'll run that up to the 4-foot mark, which is about halfway up our post, and then we'll run one at the top. doggy. We got most of the building up right now, the sides. Now I got to get on the roof, start doing the purlins. Remember those purlins? We talk about them in all the videos. Get it done. Turned out to be a beautiful day today too. So that'll be the entrance, all tinned in, water catchment.
How are things going up there, Dougie?
We're doing it. We're making a whole building out of with using battery powered tools. Warming up, nice day, blue skies. Oh, Derek's wearing me out. Go, 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 gotta get it done. Up here, I mean, normally I puppy dog these projects along for a little bit. It's like the fastest build ever for me.
Yeah, time is money, man. Time is money.
Causing me to make mistakes. Falling off ladders and carrying on. Oh yeah, we're getting there.
Almost there. We'll get the purlins up, and then we can start skinning it with the sheet metal.
So tired. So tired. Built this whole structure with 2 battery operated tools and a hammer.
That's the off-grid way, man.
Now I'm working on the tin. Let's see. Those straps you just saw me putting on, those are called hurricane straps. You want to put those on your rafters, and it helps keep them from twisting. It also keeps them on the roof of your building. So let's go, 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 man. Crunch time. I just built this whole building using 2 electric power tools and never even charged the battery. And that's pretty strong. It's pretty good. So I'm going to get a couple of these sheets up, and then we're probably going to call it a night. I'm exhausted. But hold on. Don't go anywhere. Don't hit that button. Well, that's a wrap for this video. I thought I'd get a little bit farther than I did, but I don't think I did too bad for an old coot. We got all the box framed in around the 4 posts, and then we got the tin on for one side there. And so tomorrow all I have to do is finish up that side, wrap the back, and then put the other side on, and then put the tin on the roof. So not too bad. I think we're going to get it done by tomorrow. I think it's the fastest build I've done on the homestead since we've been here, even faster than the log cabin. So good job, old boy. Thanks again for always watching our videos. We do appreciate it. Hit the subscribe button if it's your first time here, and if you have been here before, make sure the bell's rung so you get your notifications. But you don't even have to worry if YouTube is giving you notifications, because you should come every day and check us out, because it's a pretty good bet that we'll have a video up for you with some hashtag nuggets in it. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Don't forget, if you're in the Ohio area, Kidron, Ohio, or anywhere around there, and you feel like coming to see us, we'll be with Joel Salatin at Lehman's on June 29th and 30th. And then after that, we'll be in Hannibal, Missouri, August 12th and 13th. That's Stacy and I. We're putting on the first ever event there, and more details will be coming out on that pretty soon. And then we'll keep you guys informed of the last 2 things that we have going on coming up at the end of the year, September and October. So that's it for me today. I'm going to catch me a hydrant shower, and then we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a Homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.